Hi guys and welcome back to the channel where this week we're joined by some American muscle. We're going to be detailing this 1967 Mustang, top to bottom from front to back, and taking you along for the ride. Let's get into it.
They claim they want beef like I ain't in a teed up. I turn them to vegan, I'm really a creature. She sent me the beacon, I beat it and flee it. They talk like these niggas won't beat me, they can't. I'm somewhat tucked off, I'm laid in the shade and I'm counting mine. Still ain't made it, I'm jaded, my latest, my greatest. I ain't ever caving, they see me, I'm him, I'm a gym in the soil. It's by the time I've been after mine. I'm one with the culture, they more like a
I love American fit. Made to measure, that was.
Yeah, I know it's my season, my family the reason I be who I'm being. Solid. Lately I pushing the needle.
So we've had to do things slightly differently on this one. We're here bright and early because at the moment we're experiencing something that's a little bit rare here in the UK, and that is a heat wave. So that we're not battling with the sun, especially on a black car, trying to get it washed and things drying out. Even though we use purified water, we don't want anything that's going to make our job more difficult. So we're going to get the wet work done, the wheels cleaned, decon stages, and then get it inside and see what we're dealing with.
I get rich in my family, they don't understand me. I used to be nice guy, till the words on me cold. Now my guard up, I'm far, don't trust nobody. Now she never did want me, she talking real naughty. Now I ain't sorry, been slept on, they groggy. I'm really bout it, I'm off the cloud in it. I'm real rowdy, I'm going off, had no chances. I do not answer to anybody. Amped up, put my stamp on the canvas, I'm ramped up. Me, my dog, just went tandem. I do this for life, they just post for the camera. They scrambling, they not me, they rambling. I want me a mansion, I know it's my season, I'm golden. I'm somewhere tucked off, I'm laid in the shade and I'm counting mine. Still ain't made it, I'm jaded, my latest, my greatest. I'm solid. Lately I pushing the needle forward to the people that knew me and traded sides. I'm up now, don't hit me to make it right. I'm at it, dole, been taking mines. Get scared of the heights that I'm reaching for. Don't even know what you're reaching towards. Don't even know what you're reaching for. They loud in their feelings, they barking these riddles. Already told you, won't find no one realer. I go from me cool to the top of your list. Turn this to a crib and a whip with a tint on it. Phone been on silent, I been on my shit. Whole globe on the fritz, I ball up my fist. Part of my glitz, take a part of me sick with it like it's 06. Going dumb in the sticks on a beach real quick. Fresh when I dress, take a look at my stitch. Think I lost my shit. Wood to the neck, I've been acting real different. Know I'm at your neck, I won't loosen my grip. Out in that stress, take a toll on my I've been on deck, let me save my peace, let me talk my Look, I'm so red at the flare, make you squint. I've been on edge, I've been living too quick. I can't get to sleep, knowing it's all in my reach. Know I've been living too fast. Look in my eyes and don't blink.
Promise I ain't ever traded sides. Know that I'm not out here living right.
Pray that you find what you're looking for.
Don't shrink for all the people that you're leaving behind. Grow because there are people who are waiting on you.
With the car now clean and decontaminated, it's in the bay behind us and we're about to set about the paint correction process. But before we do that, we need to inspect the paintwork to see what we're dealing with. We've got our swirl spotters and our paint depth gauges. We're going to go around the car and come up with a plan of action on how we're going to make this paintwork look $1 million.
The paintwork looks like, at the moment, the top surface ain't that great, but the paint itself underneath, the blue metallic, I think once it's a machine polish, it's going to look night and day. Night and day. Two jump on the bonnet, we can get two jump on the roof. So I reckon me and Blake can jump up there, get that done. And after that, we then got lowers to do. And that way it ain't going to work over any of our work we've done already.
You seen how this joke ends? Come here.
Anyway.
Don't give up on me, yeah.
So I've been given the task of sanding the roof, so what I'm doing is removing the texture from the roof. It's quite evident that the body shop hasn't done this, just because when we look at objects in reflection, they're very fuzzy and they're not like a perfect clarity reflection. So I've just finished leveling it and then I'll go around and start refining the scratch marks.
around your forehead with 80 quid.
I need a tan.
Don't give up on me, yeah. Don't give up on me, yeah.
After testing out different pad and polish combos, we found the solution that worked. For the majority of this car, we managed to use a medium pad with a medium compound and get decent levels of correction that we're happy with. The roof, however, was a little more complex. There was a bit more peel in it compared to the rest of the car and it really stood out. So Blake went ahead and flatted the whole roof by wet sanding with different grades until that was super smooth and matched up to the rest of the vehicle. We were careful not to remove all of the orange peel because if we did that, we'd then have to match the rest of the car to that, and then that's a whole nother story and a lot longer process. We've managed to get that to match in well, and then we've polished that up as well to match the rest of the car. We've got a few finer details to do and we still need to go around and refine the paint, but this is super soft, so we're leaving that a little while before we do it. See if anything drops back or there's any areas that we need to give more attention when we go around it with fresh eyes in the morning. It's just then the interior. We need to attack that engine bay and clean that up, and then we're on to the home straight. We've finally completed all the paint correction and refining stages on the car now, and we've laid down the first layer of wax. There will be some more to come as we go, but now we're going to jump into some of the finer details and get stuck into that interior and engine bay.
Can't work this.
Let's do half and half on each
Why don't we
tire.
just leave it?
One side satin, one side gloss. Everyone's happy.
Have a vote. You ready?
No, it needs to be gloss.
I think gloss.
And just like that, the Mustang is finished. We've gone top to toe, head to tail on this car, full deep clean, decon, and then a two-stage machine polish, which has brought this brand new paintwork up to near perfection. We've gone ahead and applied a wax to all of the painted surfaces. The reason we've gone with a wax is, as you know, we are firm believers that wax looks best, and there's no denying it. It has got a serious shine now. We've gone with Desire and then topped with our show wax Illusion. Gone through, done all the finishing touches. We've polished that chrome work, we've gone through the interior, dressed the tyres, cleaned the glass and anything else that detailing could enhance. All that's left now is for us to deliver this back to the owner, and then we'll see you on the next one.